out Saturday, finally doing my usual runs, not double deckers or locals. I've got a one hit for Livingston, I think I have, well I have, yeah. All the pizzas and stuff like that on the back. And 1 o'clock start, but they rang me just literally, just made me a cup of tea to go sort of thing. Can you come in at 2? I said, aye, alright. Well, I came in at 1:30 and there was a truck there, which was the main thing. And literally within 5 minutes of just cleaning the truck out on the inside, new one, 68, happy days. He said, right, your trailer's in, gives a quick ring, trailer's there. So, my pal's on today at the same time as well, that's great. Bit of crack in the Tesco Livy. I've had no but crap with the deckers. I don't mind doing the decker work, I quite enjoy it. Like, I couldn't do it every day, but I do quite enjoy doing it now and then. Just not just keeping your hand in, you know, it's just different. But there's been loads of hassle up there at the minute, like with nothing even to do with this company, but they're getting the blame. People dropping trailers in and not unloading them and things like that. And then you've got like shunters up there now causing like just aptitude. There's one in particular, like, well, I've had to properly bite my lip. Just biting into some oaty crap. Still on the diet thing. Not even a diet, it's just like, we'll take away all the stuff you love eating and give you green crap, chicken, and if you're peckers you can snack on a banana or some oaty crap that tastes like cardboard. You know what I mean? Dry January. Might shave a bald patch on the top of my head. Well, it's not that far away from that anyway, like, become a monk. I've got, what is it, it's the 26th today, I've got 5 days. I'll have a pipe. Why? So we've got a group of cyclists, kids, bloody hell. All young'uns. Oh, it's ridiculous. Boy, you can't see it out. Just spit the spandex out at you. Right, out of here, just an hour to get tipped, and both of them were having to go down to Drysdales, 2 trailers there ready for it. Nice little run today, like, enjoyed it.